Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful flower basket. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of these crafts. So, let's get creative, shall we? For these crafts, we need 2 pieces of craft cards, a pencil, a ruler, a double-sided tape, glue, pair of scissors, double-sided crepe paper, and small pieces of paper. Let's get started. First, on the craft card, measure 1.5 centimeters to make the paper strips. 1 card is enough to weave the basket. To make the base, measure 10 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Find the center line and mark where to place the card strips. This basket, we will start with 5 strips. Fold the strips to find the center line. Then take 3 strips, find the center to start weaving. Start with the first strip under, then over, alternately. Second strip, place it over, under, alternately. For the third one, follow the pattern of the first strip and turn it over. To weave the first layer, stick the strip inside or under, then place it over, alternately. Continue weaving to cover the area. Since the strip is not enough, I cut an additional 7 centimeters to continue weaving and to close the layer. Now let's start weaving for the second layer. And just like the first layer, let's add additional strip to close the area. Now let's weave for the third layer. And now for the last and the fourth layer. Now that we're done weaving, fold the strips in and out the basket alternately. Cut the excess strips, stick it with a glue or a double-sided tape. For the handle, put some glue or double-sided tape on each side of the card strip and stick it on the basket. Then lastly, you may also stick a card or a heart shape on your basket. Now for the paper flowers. To make the petals, take the 4" by 10" crepe paper and cut it into 8 small rectangles. And take one rectangle and cut into 4. And for this, we cut it into 2. Make a pattern and cut the petals. I included the link to download the pattern in the description. For a 3D effect, fold the leaf into half and make small zigzag folds to it. Cut a small piece of paper for the stem. And make the shape for the sepals. For the stem, just cut a small piece of paper and roll it to make a stick. Then add some glue to cover the stick with green crepe paper. Take each petal and gently stretch it using your thumb for a nice and curved shape. Then take the small rectangle, put some glue into it, and attach it on the stem. Fold into half and roll it. Now we can attach the petals, starting with the 3 small ones. For the second layer, attach the petal between the gaps. And for the third layer, attach the big petals and arrange it nicely. Add more glue and stick the sepals. And lastly, we can now stick the leaves. Make more flowers in different colors and fill up your basket. And there you have it, your very own flower basket. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.